Unfortunately, I did not get to film a second part of the motor assembly or rebuild. I was busy this week, very busy actually. I just started the car up, I think about 5 o'clock yesterday, and the first test drive was around 6 o'clock. I drove it for 5Ks and I'm currently on my way to a dyno day with the car. I'm not going to put it on the dyno, but I'm on my way there to support the people. As you can see, I've got a car full of parts. We'll get to this in a completely different video, but so far no hiccups. The car's doing exactly what it should. I've done about 85 kilometers and everything is doing good thus far. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be completely honest, I did not have time to film the second part of me putting the motor back together, but we have done about 450 kilometers. We are still sorting out a couple of small issues, but the motor is fine. The motor is absolutely quiet. I'm gonna do 1,000 kilometers, then we'll swap the oil and put a new oil filter once again, and then hopefully the motor will be run in. So everything is good there. We're just sorting out a couple of other small issues on the car at the moment. But as you guys know, I bought it with these headlights, the chrome ones, and for the ultimate lighting upgrade we will be installing these headlights today. And I also got a packet full of LEDs to change all the interior lights, the reverse lights, the park lights. We also have a HID kit for those lights. Let me just check up here. It's one that came out of the Polo a while ago. You guys would remember I tried to fit this in the stock headlights and it didn't fit. Upside down goes like that. So there we have a full HID kit for these headlights that we'll be putting in as well today. I'm not going to go into a lot of explanation on how to fit HIDs and stuff. Everyone should know that by now. We are basically just going to do this to transform the front end and the interior of the car with LEDs. As you guys would remember, we got this with a broken tab from DHL. So what I'm going to do to repair that, the bumper sits on this bracket here, now it's loose. So we do have the small pieces that goes on there, so we'll try that PVC weld and see if we can fix that headlight before installing it. But you guys would remember that the bumper fitment on this side was whack, and as you can see, this light does not have the bracket which that one does, so the bumper fitment should be a lot better as well now. Let's jump in and start swapping out the globes and fix that headlight bracket. this is just a quick after and before comparison. These that I got is not the brightest, but I guess they'll do just fine. At night you'll be able to see them a lot better, I'm pretty sure. This is the one in the boot, and then those are the 3 up front, and then I'm quickly going to do this one and then we'll continue with the headlights. I got this bracket glued up and it seems to be just fine. There won't be too much pressure on this. I think once the lights are on the car they won't be moving, so then it won't be too bad. I'm pretty sure this should last. It's quite sturdy, and like I say, there's nothing going to be disturbing it, if I can put it like that, once it's on the car. Next up, we are going to throw in park lights and an HID kit. So the park lights are those ones there, and then this is a H1 kit or H1 globe. I'm going to put that in and then we'll test the headlights before we completely put them back in. So we'll plug them in and test them. I think what we can do is this is the driver's side, so I'll do the passenger side to the HIDs, and then we can check them side by side, the difference between the HID kit and the non-HID kit. Okay, so there's a quick side by side. This looks very bluish. I don't know why, but that's the difference there. That's the HID and that's the halogen. By the way, we got some RS parts for this car which we'll install. Pretty sure we'll do that in the next video. But anyways, that's the comparison. So the HID with the white park light makes it look a lot better than this yellow crap. I don't think I'm going to be doing the fog lights. I think I want to do a fog light delete kit on the car. Not sure. I'm not going to spend money on that now. I'll still see what we are going to do, but yeah, this is the biggest flex right here. This is going to look amazing with the black headlights, and especially once we get these RS bits installed. That not going to give it away, but you guys who know these Reynolds would know what that is. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this up, install this one properly because it is lying loose now, so I'll install it properly, do that one, and then we'll put it all back together. Okay, the new lights are on, both of them, and they look absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to see these HIDs at night compared to those old halogen lights. So this is going to be it for this video. I'm not going to put the bumper back on to show you guys what it looks like. I am going to start installing these RS parts now. It'll be a completely different video for you, but for me it's going to be directly after one another. So this is going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. I try to bring automotive content twice a week if possible, but that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one, bro. Peace out and reflect your passion.